mountains. I don't have to be afraid for you. I know you are guiding. All things are possible. You are guiding. None can replace. Every step I take for you, I know I got it. All things are possible. You are got it. None can replace. Jesus, lover of my soul, you never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, it's your love, it covers everything. I hold you close inside of me. I'll never let you go. All this life I live is fully yours alone. I have nothing without you. And with my eyes set high and my will laid low, constant on the road, your perfect peace I hold. Everything is yours. Everything is yours. I'm never gonna be the same. Jesus, lover of my soul, you never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, lover of my soul, you never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, it's your love that covers everything. I hold you close inside of me. I'll never let you go. Look into the cross. You capture life for us, keeping me in mind. On that tree you died. 3 days further on, the rising of the sun. Seasons change, but your love still remains. And I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are faithful, God, and you're always for me. And I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All my praise is yours, I give you glory.
Hola, bienvenido al canal de Rosana Iglesias. Estamos haciendo un muñeco de hilo, es una soga, y esto está ya, ese es, el nombre me olvidé. ¿Cómo se llama esto? ¿Cómo se llama? Esta. Lana. Esta es lana y una soga. Está haciendo una muñeca o un muñeco. Suscríbanse al canal de todo lo que hace mi mamá de manualidades.
But we don't face these hills alone, rising from these broken stones, we see the kingdom. Oh, this is not my home. This skin and bone, daylight will reconcile the dead and the gone. Let the kingdom come. I can see it on your face, brother, you've been bearing the weight. Sister, you are more than they say. There are whispers of a river flowing in our veins, the hope of the after. Oh, a reckoning day. This is not my home. These aching bones, the fallen, the crucified, arise with the dawn. Let the kingdom come. This is not my home. This skin and bone.
Bueno, ese es lo que hizo mi mamá. Son lana y una soga, con mucho amor. Suscríbanse al canal de todo lo que hace mi mamá. Es una muñequita. Ya en mes de noviembre mi mamá pronto se va a operar. Ya le falta poco para que oren por mi mamá. Ya mi mamá ya esta semana no va a hacer mucho manualidades por la vista. Pero suscríbanse al canal de todo lo que hace mi mamá esta semana. Y gracias por suscribirse. Bueno, eso es todo. Bueno, saludos y bendiciones.